Hey, today we're going to tell you about 3 spots that a Sterling shower surround here and sliding door can leak and how you fix that. Hey, this is John Young here with Weekend Handyman. We just installed a Sterling shower surround and doors, sliding doors here in our children's bathroom. And there's a couple of spots where they can leak, and we're going to go and talk about those 3 spots. First off, the doors. The doors, let me slide this one close, because generally this is the one that's going to cause the biggest problems, is that sometimes the doors will not line up. When I put the door on there with the 2 little wheels, and I'm going to see if I can show you up in there, right there, there's a little wheel piece. So let's just kind of get in here a little bit more. There, you can see the wheel up there. That has to be adjusted. There's 3 adjustment holes. Now I put them in the center hole on both sides. That did not work. So I ended up having to put the one on the center on this side, and this one, I think I had to come down one to make it so that the door closed well enough. Now the door on the very bottom has got the little rubber gasket here that needs to be there and such so it can close, and it hits that. But now it will, we don't have this little privacy all the way over to the edge, but the door now closes, so the angles from the shower coming across, the angle of the water hits this and it goes down. So this is one of the big areas that it leaked, was the door was not aligned up to be square with the frame of the shower. Spot number 2 that the showers can leak is right here in the 2 corners. Before the door in the shower side, they recommend when you put the top part of the surround, you put an L shape of silicone going along the back and then coming forward. That L shape is going to stop water from hitting here and going under in this corner and on the other corner of the door. That's a really important spot to make sure you get all the silicone in there, because if you don't have that L going from the back over to the front, and you might want to put the piece in and then clean the extra silicone out down here. If you don't have that spot, you will have leakage coming out over here. And the final spot is right here on the rail, specifically on the opposite end of the shower head. The shower head is right up there. You need to put a little bit of silicone right here to seal this up. If you don't, water will hit this, run this way, and then go under and come out in front. Now, when you do the sealing, you're supposed to come down with your silicone on the outside, do that and kind of hit the areas. But this little area really didn't stand out as an area to hit. And this was a huge culprit with our leaking. You got to make sure you seal this up just a little bit. Put that little silicone there, bring it up a little bit here to seal that up so water will hit here and eventually dry or go back into the shower and not go down through here under this channel and then seep out down here, and then you have water collecting through here. So there we are, 3 common areas where your Sterling shower surround and shower doors will leak. If you take care of those problems, you shouldn't have those problems, hopefully, and then you'll have yourself a nice shower for your bath remodel. This is John Young with the Weekend Handyman.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.